Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat. You can't see messages right now. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat you can't see messages right now, you should just go to the top of settings. Here in this page you'll enter two apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you will enter to this window of Snapchat. Then in this page of app info you will go to click for stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.